Today we're going to be talking about the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT tempered glass screen protectors for your iPhone 15 series. Now, I'm going to be putting this on an iPhone 15 Plus, but this will work for any of your iPhones. They make one for all of the iPhone models for pretty much every iPhone year. I mean, Spigen's been doing this ever since I can remember. So let's go ahead and install it on our 15 Plus in that beautiful new pink color. So let's go ahead and see what Spigen gives you in the box. Now, first taking a look at the back, you got your easy installation, real glass, and oleophobic coating, 9H surface hardness, and it says Spigen case friendly, but scratch that Spigen out because it is case friendly. Any case I've ever used this screen protector on, I've never, ever had a problem with, and I'm sure it's gonna be the same this year. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the packaging. So sorry about that. I had a little bit of a struggle getting it out of the packaging. Just be easy, get it out, and it'll be fine. But inside, this is the packaging. There's nothing else in there. Inside, you do get this little information card on how to install the screen protectors. You do get this little warranty card and installation guide. I guess it's two of them that you get because there is two screen protectors. So you get two installation guides and you get your installation accessories. So let's take a look and see what they give you here. Inside, you've got those lens cleaning wipes, that microfiber cleaning cloth, and your two things of dust removal stickers. So let's go ahead and slap this on the 15 Plus. So first thing we're gonna do is get all this stuff out of the way, get ourselves a nice little clean work environment, and bring our phone over here. So let's start off with the screen lens wipe. Now I did just unbox this phone, so the screen's not gonna be that dirty. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna just go ahead and skip this and just move right on to the microfiber cloth. The reason I'm doing that is I actually haven't really even touched this anywhere except right there where you see a little bit of dust. So I'm just gonna skip this, go to the microfiber, and then go to the dust removal sticker. So we're just gonna wipe the little fingerprints off of here. Shouldn't be too bad. All right, now that we've got the fingerprints off, let's go ahead and get our dust removal stickers. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, my thing to do that I really like is I just go in all the way around the phone, well, all the way around the screen. I just give it a one time over, maybe a little excessive, but it's what you wanna do. Now, let's go ahead and grab our screen protector. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this back piece off right here and just be real easy with that. Take that off, and you can take this right on top. It says top and bottom. You just slap this right on the phone. And like I said, it's really hard to screw this up. We're gonna press this down in here. It's hard to mess this up unless you get some dust under there. So we're gonna rub this and wait. Oh, don't start with me. We're gonna rub this and wait those 30 seconds like it says. I always make sure I do that. Do you have to or not? I don't know. I always make sure I do, and I never have any issues, so that's what I recommend to do. So let's wait those 30 seconds, and we'll be right back. All right, so now that those 30 seconds are up, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start from down here and just pick this kind of up a little bit. And what I like to do is I just follow with one finger and just kind of keep the screen protector down here. That way, you're not pulling anything extra that you don't want to be up. We got that off, and what we're gonna do now is grab our squeegee and our microfiber cleaning cloth. This little plastic piece, the shell comes off. We no longer need this. And on top of here, you get one more little layer, and that's meant for your squeegeeing or anything else you have to do if you gotta clean it, whatever. That way you don't really, get any bubbles, anything like that, and you don't scratch up the screen protector. So what we're gonna do here is just squeegee all that fun stuff out. And we'll peel this little piece off. And there you have it. So now what we're gonna do is you just wanna work out these air bubbles a little bit. It should be a bubble-free installation most of the time. Now I'm doing this behind the camera, so I may have gotten a little bubble in here or two, but either way, these will go away. Now I'm looking really closely in there. There's no dot or dust particle in there. Not sure if you can see that, so let me actually grab the microfiber cloth. So there's no dust particles in these bubbles. So what that means is these are gonna go away by themselves in about 24 to 48 hours. Now, that's not that long to wait, but Spigen is great great about not having air bubbles with their screen protectors if you installed it correctly. So just make sure you get all these air bubbles out as best as you can, and the rest that you can't get, they will come out within 24 to 48 hours. So with that being said, this is the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT screen protector for your iPhone 15 series. Now I'll make sure I leave a link for all of them down in the description below for the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about these screen protectors in the comments, and I'll make sure I'll update it on my socials and show you guys in a couple of days what this screen protector looks like on the phone. All right, so I did want to just show you guys, it's now the next morning. I did do this yesterday evening, the video with the screen protector, and yesterday night, like right before we went to bed, the bubbles were pretty much all gone, but this morning when we woke up, there's no bubbles whatsoever, and it's a perfectly installed screen protector, just like every time. So like I said, if you ever do have a little bit of an issue with an air bubble or two, as long as you didn't get any dust there, you're good to go.